Visitech delivers industrial-grade additive manufacturing worldwide. This is what enables scalable, precise, and cost-effective DLP 3D printing. Our systems are engineered for high-resolution, industrial-grade additive manufacturing. We support two lithography methods, static and scrolling. Our high-powered proprietary LED and laser UV light sources enable real production-scale manufacturing. The system scales. Modules stack to expand the build area, while our Llama software maintains pixel-level resolution for large, seamless prints. For years, Visitech has delivered field-proven solutions for PCB manufacturing at multiple scales, using two tables to minimize shadow time. We now use the same proven approach to additive manufacturing, using multiple vats. Using scrolling technology with the only field-proven native 4K light engine, we increase production volume dramatically. And by running multiple vats in parallel, this technology increases system utilization. This is where resin volume moves from bottles to tanker trucks. Millions of parts, industrial-scale production, enabled by our solutions. Across the globe, on every continent, our projector technology delivers precision light. At the core of our customer systems, it enables volume production of high-value products in polymers, ceramics, metals, and hydrogels. Visitech, creating images together.